Today we're going to demonstrate interacting with the Spectra Black Pearl in Spectra's disk-based object storage, ArcticBlue. During this demonstration, we'll be using Spectra's Eon browser, which is running on a Windows server, and the Windows server is running on a virtual machine. The system is connected to a 10 gig network, which our Black Pearl is also connected to. This demonstration is going to take place in real time, as you can see and track with the clock in the lower right-hand portion of the screen. We'll demonstrate a few items. First, we're going to set up a bucket, move content to it, and then we're going to review how to retrieve content directly from the Spectra ArcticBlue disk-based object storage system itself. To start off, we're going to create a new bucket, which we're going to call Demo. Then, we're going to select the data policy, which is a single copy on ArcticBlue, and then we're going to create our bucket. From the local system, on the left-hand side of the Eon browser, we're going to grab content and drag it over to the demo bucket that we previously created. For demonstration purposes, we're using a 1.5 gig media file. After we've dragged that into the bucket, the file will then be sent off to the Black Pearl cache. It's being moved from the Windows server into Black Pearl, and you can see the status at the bottom of the browser. When in the cache, the data is checksummed and then will be written out to ArcticBlue storage pools. We're going to hit refresh to show when the data has hit the cache. Once the data is written out to ArcticBlue, we'll then see it there. For the Restore portion of this demo, we're going to grab files that are already on ArcticBlue, which are no longer in the cache. You'll see that there's no data in the folder that we're going to restore our content to. We're going to restore back to this folder. Going back to the Eon browser, we're going to select a few files on ArcticBlue and we'll drag them back to the empty folder that we were just looking at. Now you'll start to see data move from the ArcticBlue back to the Windows server directly. The progress bar shows concurrency. Not only were we restoring files from ArcticBlue, we were also simultaneously writing files off to it. The progress bar at the bottom of the Eon browser will move for each of the 4 files that we grabbed to restore, which happens to be a total of 2 gigs of content. So now you can see that all of the files have been restored successfully. And just now, the file that we were writing off to ArcticBlue has finished. If we hit the refresh button, now you can see that the file is both in cache and living on ArcticBlue. And this concludes our demonstration. As you can see, powered by Spectra's Black Pearl, ArcticBlue object-based disk storage provides users fast, concurrent access to their important files.